Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos. Ever have an apology leave you? Well, even more angry or hurt? There actually are some rules on how to apologize. Rules that if followed, will have you back in good graces in no time. Learn these 7 key steps to an effective apology in the best way possible. Those whom you have offended appreciate that you're not jumping right in and assuming you can do something that involves them. Sometimes, the permission to apologize comes right away, and sometimes it comes after those offended have had a chance to cool off. When they grant you permission, and they will, because they very much want to hear what you have to say, let them know in detail what you're apologizing for. Those offended need to hear from you what you did, so they know you understand why they're upset. Tell them how much you regret what you did, you know it was wrong, and you value their feelings. Express that you wish you could turn back time and change what you said or did. Be careful not to say anything along the lines of, "If I hurt you, I'm sorry." Doing so means that you don't understand that you did hurt the person. If, and words like it, put the blame on the other person for feeling hurt, instead of on the person who committed the offense. Sometimes, it is not possible to right a situation. When it is possible, do everything you can to make it right. When it's not, let the person offended choose the outcome they'd like to see. Let them know that inherent in your apology is a promise that you won't do what you did again. This step is crucial. Otherwise, what you have offered isn't an apology, it's an excuse. Simply ask for their forgiveness, and ask if they will forgive you. If what you're asking forgiveness for is something that caused a deep hurt, you'll need to say that you understand they need time to think about it. What you don't want to do is to assume that just because you asked for their forgiveness, they're going to hand it right over to you. The note is a permanent reminder of your remorse and your promise not to repeat the offense. It also helps you keep your promise, because they have it in your handwriting that you will. Think of it as a forgiveness promissory note. If the person accepted your apology, that means that person can't hold a grudge and bring up what you did every time they get angry with you. And you, who apologized, can't go around doing what offended them in the first place. A sincere apology should be given and accepted, with the intention of restoring the relationship. Sometimes, it takes time for things to get back to the way they were, but they can be even better than the way they were. Intention can move relationships to a deeper level of respect, harmony, and care for one another.